The installation Senza Titolo, untitled, was created by Costantino Ciervo for the Venice Biennale in 1993. Since then, the work has been presented in numerous international exhibitions, most recently as part of the thematic show Notation, Calculation and Form in the Arts at the ZKM, Center for Art and Media Karlsruhe. The installation is a direct translation of the logical truth table first formulated by the Irish mathematician George Boole in the 19th century. Echoing the 64-unit foundational matrix used in integrated circuits, the basis of all digital technology, the work arranges 64 metal assemblage elements in 4 rows. Each metal plate is equipped with a digital display, whose numerical values are additionally reflected and reversed through a camera lens. The serial arrangement of materials evokes written characters or an encoded text, while the wires and circuitry, along with their flows of energy, recall the structure of a musical score. The truth values of the table, typically represented by the numbers 0 and 1, are here replaced by the numbers 6 and 4. As distinct numbers and signs, they alternately function as true or false. These figures are visually manipulated through their mirrored projection via the lens. Furthermore, interaction is introduced through a motion sensor and an electronic circuit. The viewer's movement triggers an exchange of the numerical values. Each 6 becomes a 4, and vice versa. In this way, a double distortion of truth is produced, which the viewer attempts to perceive, to register, to notate. Through this mechanism, 2 central ideas emerge. On the one hand, the increasing complexity of time, space, technology, and economy, and the resulting difficulty in grasping and experiencing reality and truth, as well as in consciously defining one's actions. On the other hand, the question of manipulation through the exploitation of this weak point, a profit-driven economy that instrumentally shapes what are perceived as true and false needs of the consumer. In this context, Boole's truth table acquires a symbolic meaning that extends beyond the rules of formal logic. From a dichotomous representation of truth, there emerges a more nuanced interpretation of reality, society, and the human condition.